Okay, you guys, this is holiday deals for the season. So I bought Mr. Hanukkah ceramic menorah candle, and this is a 12-inch ceramic menorah, and this has 6-hour timer. So there's special lights, candles, and so these are the perfect designs for this year. And this, I bought this on clearance for $12. So now let's get this out of the box and see how it looks like. And so this should be a nice holiday decoration for Christmas season of 2023. So this will be upcoming for December Christmas 2023. So thanks for watching. Comment below and like or subscribe. Thanks for watching, or follow. And we hope you enjoy.